Mama's number switched off. Hey, Chineke, no. Hey, Kate. Kate, I don't understand what's the meaning of what you just did. I was talking to you, and you kept mute as if I was talking to myself. Hey, Kate. Where is Mama?
Please, just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Eh? This is my father's house. This is not your husband's household, where you're the tigress. Eh? Allow me to enjoy myself in peace. Please, before you start your madness.
Hey. You see, Kate, I don't have your time. I have something bothering me right now. I do not have your time. Where is Mama? Kate, this is very important to me. My husband is seriously sick. I need antidote to save him. I need Mama. Where is she?
When did Mama become a healer? And when did you not start caring for your husband? When?
Mama, why would your phone be switched off now? Why? Hey, you don't know what I'm doing.
What's up, honey?
Please do not call me that again.
What did you say?
You heard me correctly. Do not call me honey again. I am not your honey.
I don't get you. Do you still love him?
He is my husband. And I do not owe you any explanation whatsoever. I don't.
Don't tell me you'll be wasting my time. Listen, Angel. Let's be fast about this. We can leave this country very, very fast.
It's obvious you have really lost your mind. Haven't you? What are you talking about?
What?
You heard me. What are you blabbing about?
Listen, if you leave me halfway on this, I swear down I will tell your husband everything. I will tell him everything about us and how you've been giving me his money.
Oh my goodness. I mean, who cares? I don't care about whatever you think you want to tell my husband. I'm already fed up with all this drama. So you might as well go ahead and tell him whatever you so please. Do you understand? Yeah.
Alright, I'm sure you're not fed up to care if I tell him how you've been giving him slow poison.
What?
Voila. Surprise. I have a secret for you. Let's see who comes begging.
Norma!
Yes?
Please come. Just come. Norma, how could you do this to me? What have I done to you? I mean, why would you betray me like this?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I'm talking about Mel. How did he get to know about the slow poison?
Oh, that. Is there anything wrong with him knowing? After all, he's... Don't just make me talk, please.
After all, he's what? He is... No, finish it. He's what?
He's your side boo, Ivy. You think I don't know? You're so funny. You think I'm not aware about your plans of absconding with him once you kill your husband?
Norma. I thought thought you were my friend.
Mm-hmm. Of course I am your friend. Or because your side boo is aware. Or you think your secret is not safe with him?
Oh my goodness. Holy Moses. How did I get here?
Look, please. Don't come banging at my door next time. Don't try it. Biko. And most importantly, I wish you success in your stupid slow poison. Nyara.
What? You're kidding me, right? Chime, you know very well that I don't carry fake news around. How? This is unbelievable. What? See me inside. Take that paper on the table and explain it to me. If you don't explain what is in that paper to me, is it that you kill me or I kill you? Very simple.
You know, you are evil personified. A very heartless man.
I'm heartless. No, I don't think so. I'm just smart. Yes. See, by this time tomorrow, you will be explaining to him the meaning of slow poison. Oh, you don't think I will? Listen, the only thing that will shut me up is when you give me my 500,000 naira. Okay? Now call me back when you're serious.
Oh goodness, what have I gotten myself into?
Are you ready to talk?
Honey, please, I can explain.
Okay. You can explain? What do you take me for?
Honey,
A muggle?
no, honey, you have to calm down and listen.
I should calm down? That you're building a bungalow for a total stranger and you're telling me to calm down?
No, honey, You got it all wrong. I mean, I've actually been doing this with my entire savings. Not for a total stranger. The name written on the paper is a corporate name. It's for my brand. You know, I told you I wanted to start doing importation of wigs. It's for my business, honey. You know, the truth is, I was going to tell you on your birthday. It's meant to be a surprise. I'm so sorry it's coming out like this and you're feeling this terrible. I'm so sorry. Sorry, please. I didn't mean to upset you.
But why bungalow? You should have invested the money in something else.
I'm sorry, honey. It's because of the location of the land. It's really on high demand. So when I saw the place, I decided to secure it immediately. That was the reason. But it's fine. I can sell it if you want. It's an asset. Please, forgive me.
It's okay. I never knew you have such business sense. Come here.
Thank you, honey. Thank you.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you.
How could you open your mouth wide like a woman? What happens to being a man? What happens to having self-control? Oh, please, I'm not calm down. Don't tell me that.
I can fix this.
How would you fix it? Or you think Ivy is not smart? How would you get the money we're asking her for? How? Now she will not even believe me again. She won't even trust me.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. I'm going to make sure I get some ransom from her. And when she gives me that money, everything's okay. But if she refuses to give me that money, I'll go straight to her husband and tell him the meaning of slow poison.
Just look at yourself. I thought you were smart. Who would you tell him you heard it from?
Let me worry about that. I'm not a child. In fact, I want to speak to your name.
The question is, who would you tell him you heard it from?
Who? I think you're right. I don't need to involved in this. You're right.
Mel, you just messed up big time. You messed up big time. Now she will know we have something in common.
Relax, chill, okay? See, I just made a big move, a huge one, okay? But this time tomorrow, she will pump 500,000 to my account. Then we'll smile together.
You don't know, Ivy. Don't be surprised. This whole thing will turn out against you.
Relax. Okay, chill. I know what I'm doing.
Hi. Honey? Chimo? Honey? Please wake up. Wake up! What?
My head.
What?
My head is pounding. My head is pounding.
Honey? Honey, listen. You have to go and see that prophetess, please.
Please, get me Panadol.
Hey!
Get me Panadol, no? God help me. God help me. God help me. Hi.
Honey? Now don't do this. Oh.
Give me.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, my love. Sorry, babe. Sorry. It's okay.
sorry. It's okay. I have to take you to the prophetess now. Let's go.
No. Bring me cold water. Cold water.
Honey, what is wrong with you? Why are you so stubborn?
No.
Look at you bleeding. You need to take you to the prophetess.
No. I cannot do what she's asking me to do. I cannot.
What do you mean? How much can we not afford, honey? Why are you doing this to me now? Let us go.
No, it's not money. It's not money.
What?
I cannot take a human life after beating with the blood of a ram. No.
Wait, honey, wait. Is that what she said?
Yes.
Wait, once you perform the ritual, the person responsible for the ailment will die?
I cannot say my answer.
Hell.
I cannot say my answer. God, please, heal me. Heal me. If you cannot heal me, let me die in peace.
No, you will not die.
Knowing that I did not soil my hands.
Look at me.
Hi.
Nothing will happen to you. You will not die. You will not die.
Where and how do I start to undo this? If he dies, I will kill myself. And even in my grave, I will never forgive myself.
It's God's wish for my life to end this way, then
No!
we'll accept it with good faith.
No, baby, don't say that. Listen, nothing will happen to you. You will not die. You have already said it with your mouth. So don't say that again. You will live for me, please.
Check of 10 million naira. Use it for your weak business.
I don't understand. We have discussed that nothing will happen to you. You will not die. So why are you giving me a check of 10 million? I don't need this check. What I want is for you to live for me. I want you to be alive. Please. Baby. Don't ever feel that anything will happen to you. Whatever that wants to happen to you, let it come and happen to me, please.
Nothing will happen to me.
Then stop talking like that. Don't, please.
I just want you to have this money.
I don't need the money. I want you to be positive. Nothing will happen to you. Please.
This our love and again. We still day again. He don't day again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they breaking again. Our love now bunge. Now follow come on again. He don't day again. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they breaking again.
Hi, Mel. Please, I do not have time to wait. If there's anything you have to tell me, tell me. What's the meaning of that? Please, I'm going to end this call if you do not want to talk.
Now listen. If you end this call, I'll go straight to your house and tell your husband the meaning of slow poison. Now where is my 500,000 naira? Now I am giving you now till 3 o'clock today to provide my 500,000 naira. Else I will go straight to your husband and tell him the meaning of slow poison. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Huh? What have I gotten myself into? What's the meaning of this madness? What is wrong with this boy? How do I handle this now? Should I not just invite him to a hotel and order some boys to do away with him? No. I have enough blood in my hands already. Honey, sorry. Let me quickly rush to the Blessed Sacrament and pray for you. Please. I'll soon be back. Oh? Indo.
I wish I can go with you.
No. You don't have to stress yourself. Just relax. I already dished your food. It's at the dining. Even the water. So if you're hungry, you just eat. I'll soon be back. Hey. Sorry. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to you. Let me quickly rush, eh? God will heal you. Sorry, honey.
I'm ready. Did you take the yam from the kitchen, the tuber of yam?
My tutor will come back next week for that one.
Can't will come back next week for that one? Eh? So you start asking me for money up here? Please go and take the tuber of yam from the kitchen and, take it to school.
I don't want that yam. I'm okay with the rice.
Can't you're okay with the rice? Oh. Hey, this one you're here, this I hope everything is okay.
Mama, I was here yesterday. But you weren't around. I even called you, but your phone was switched off.
Switched off? I never switched off my phone. Your sister had the phone with her while I was in church. Kate, you didn't tell me that your sister called.
She didn't tell me she was coming to see you.
So when you came to the church, why didn't you tell me she was in the house?
Mama, please. I don't have time for all this problem this morning. It's too early now. Let me go back to school in peace. Eh?
Oh, please. Is there something wrong with her head?
Mama, please, I'm not here for her. My husband is terribly sick. Yes, he's not been okay. He's been coughing since 2 days now. And the worst is that he is bleeding through the nostrils.
That's okay. Is that not what you've always wanted?
Mama, without season, I am scared.
You shouldn't be scared now. That's what you wanted, for him to die. You see that poison? He killed slowly. Oh no, but the slow death.
Mama, I don't want it again, please. I wanted, but not anymore. I don't want anything whatsoever to happen to my husband.
So, has the charm finished?
Mama, I stopped using it though.
You did?
Yes, now. Charm I made him. I don't want him to die.
So, do you now agree with me that you're the trouble in the house?
Mama, please. Take me to Wadija that did this. I will pay him handsomely for him to reverse this. If possible, you should give me an antidote.
No more to go later. There's really nothing we can do about it.
Mama, please, I'm begging you. I do not want anything to happen to him. The love he has shown me these past few days is immeasurable. Biko.
Mom. I don't want to hear anything about love.
Mama, please, you have to hear. My husband loves me so much. I don't even know how to explain it. He does virtually everything for me. Okay, right now he's very, very sick. Knowing that anything might happen to him, he might even die. But he wrote a check of 10 million naira for me. Mama, who does that? He's such a good man. I'm even regretting everything I did in the past. Please.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Did you have the charm here?
Of course, I came with it.
Oh. You didn't even use much of it.
Mama, I stopped. I stopped at some point now.
Yeah.
Mom, what are you doing?
Testing the charm, of course. There's nothing in this thing.
Mama?
This is ordinary salt. Yes. There was nothing. I just wanted to teach you a lesson. A lesson you would not have listened to if I tried to explain. So I had to give you this. This is no poison. It's ordinary salt.
Mama, I've really learned my lessons. I have. Mama, please, I don't want anything to happen to my husband. I know I've been the cause of the problem. I've learned my lessons. Please, help me.
My daughter, I only know of one source that you can take your husband to, and that is God. If truly he's having these symptoms you mentioned, then you either take him to hospital or you look for a strong man of God to pray for you.
Oh, Mama. Mama. Thank you so much for this. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. There's no time. I'll call later to find out how far you people have gone.
Okay, Mama, please pray for me. I don't want my husband to die, please.
You will not die. That's all right.
Mama, I'll call you.
Are you sure you can drive?
Should
I come and drive you?
Left
hand steering. Healing. While I return my salt to the original source.
Being rude on the phone will save from this? Or you want to go inside that house and tell your husband the meaning of slow poison?
Please, I beg of you, go in and tell him. And if you refuse not to, may thunder from third heaven descend and tear you into shreds. What? You are very, very stupid. You're a senseless man. And make sure you tell him, make sure you go in to tell my husband. Useless gold digger. Make sure you go inside to tell my husband. If not, the thunder that will destroy you. Crying.
If you had played your role very well as a wife, this would not have happened.
No. No! 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 you okay? I mean, how are you faring now? Honey, please talk to me.
Did she just talk to me like that?
What a man sows, that he shall reap.
What a man sows, that he shall reap. Is she okay? What a man sows, that he shall reap. Ha! What does she mean by that?
What happened to me has taught me never to trust anyone.
I understand, honey. I understand how you feel right now, but please, I'm so sorry. Forgive me. In any way I've hurt you, I am deeply sorry. Please, I will never bring you to this again. Give us a second chance.
A second chance?
Yes, honey. A second chance. I promise. I will never bring us to this situation again. I will never. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sit. Sit. It's not really about you. It's about Mel.
Mel?
Mel is very wicked. Mel poisoned me.
What?
Because he wants to take the whole money that we both invested for the importation of foil.
Mel poisoned you?
Yes. If not for the Prophetess, I would have been dead.
No. How did you get to know about this?
She told me everything that night that we visited.
Why do you trust everyone easily? You are surrounded by enemies, vultures. Who is Mel?
Mel is my friend.
What business do you have with him? Look at your spirit leaving your body. Look at your body in a coffin. Rima Sente, Rima Kerry. Yahweh! 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 You will not die because you are a good man. Rima Sente, Rima Kerry. Baba drink this. That poison will leave your body in the form of sweat and blood. Drink it! Drink it and free yourself from that poison. Drink it! Drink it! Holy Spirit! Holy Spirit! Come back to life! Come back to life! Come back to life! Yahweh! Onolu ebube! Onolu ebube! Ogwonu ọrịa! Mmụọ nsọ! Onye ọma! Ọgbatuela! 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 Oje na mmụọ! Eyiye ma senteri makeri! Hey! You are healed! You are healed! You are healed! You are healed. You are healed.
Yeah, so that was what happened.
Was that all she told you?
Yes. I trusted him. Look at what came out from my body.
Oh my God. Oh mine.
This is the man I give some money to start up his business when the whole world crashed on his head. Well, I leave everything for God.
Honey, I have a confession to make. I don't care what happens, but I want to unburden my heart. I just have to say it, please.
It's okay.
Honey, please, you need to hear this. I don't care how it comes out, but I need to tell you, please.
It's okay. Your mother has told me everything.
My mother?
Yeah. I wish the whole mothers can be like that.
I'm sorry, please.
Hello? So you finally made up your mind to give me a call. You are very, very lucky. Yes, you're lucky. I was about calling your husband to tell him the meaning of slow poison. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Why are you talking like this?
My husband has been vomiting blood. I have tried everything I could, but it's getting worse. I tried taking him to the hospital, but he blatantly refused. I don't even know what else to do. Please, I need your help. I do not want my husband to die. I've thought of who to speak to. No one else but you. Please, I need your help. Come help me, please. All right. All right.
Who is that? What's going on?
She said he has been critically ill and that he has been vomiting blood.
No, let's go for early morning mass and pray for him. Was that not what she wanted?
Baby, I was thinking, why don't we tell her to keep those important documents so when he dies, you and I will keep it for her? What do you think?
You're right.
Good.
But I think we should just focus on the car
papers and the money.
Yeah.
Yes, let's leave the important documents. Because if we take them, that is useless retired police auntie will come for us. Let's just take the car papers and the another.
Baby, you're always brainy.
Vamoose.
I love that. I never thought of that, you know. Of course. That's my angel.
You know what? Let's go and show our sympathy.
Oh, yeah. You're right.
Hey.
How is he?
You should have come earlier.
Is he dead already?
He's dead.
Hey. And his body. Here's his body. So finally you died.
Easy. Do you want that to hear you?
Finally you died. Finally. After I spent over 100,000 naira trying to poison you this idiot.
Nonsense. And that Camry 2.4 big for nothing will think is her slow poison that killed him. You know what? We have to take the car papers before his police auntie comes here.
Yes. Yes.
Fast.
Really fast. Oh God, he's dead. Hey. Hey. Oh. Sorry. Hey.
But why are you crying?
See.
Why are you crying?
See.
Is he not my husband?
I know, very sorry. But you will have to let us go with his cars so we can keep them safe for you until you want to sell them.
Exactly. We can keep them safe for you until whenever you want to sell them. And you have to act fast before his auntie comes to seize everything. Be fast about it.
And also check the house. If there's any money he kept somewhere that you are not aware of, it's okay. Keep them safe for you too.
Camry 2.2, big for nothing.
No
nothing in
problem.
our head. See, we have to leave the city tonight.
Okay.
When we get to Boko, we sell the cars.
Relax. You talk too much.
Don't talk too much.
See, I have it all planned out. Leave this for me. Sorry.
I was able to find out only the documents. Much later, I'll have to transfer all the money in our joint account to your own account.
Wait, you did not see any money inside?
It's no money.
You will transfer the money. Okay, do you know what? Make sure you don't tell anybody about his death.
Yes.
Until you transfer all the money to my account.
Exactly. For safety's sake.
Yes. Don't be afraid. They are safe with me.
No problem.
What about the car keys?
I'll get them.
Don't worry. The money is safe with me, okay?
Dear friend.
Let's go.
Sir.
Let us go.
Go.
Let's go.
Auntie, good afternoon. Welcome. We talked about leaving. He's inside.
Yes, he's inside the room. And I say, stand.
Hey!
Were you breathing when we came inside?
He wasn't.
He was dead.
Yes. But now.
Hey.
So, this is the kind of friend you are.
Jimmy, it is not what you think.
Shut up. Both of you are doomed.
I allowed myself to be used heartlessly by both of you. And it's so terrible that I cannot forget in a hurry.
You are so despicable. I'm not afraid.
No problem. But if I go down, you go down. Yes, she tried to poison you.
Will you shut up and get the hell out of here?
I said she charmed you. She tried to poison.
Officer, take her away and don't allow anyone to see them until I say so. Arrest anyone that comes for the bail.
I'm telling you, she tried to.
I said take her away!
Okay.
Move!
Move! I'm going already. Wait, I'm going already. And don't.
crazy, be like say we dey crazy. We don't work it out, we don't talk it over. Realize our mistakes, love don't begin sweet. Oh, we don't fall in love again. Oh, this our love and again. We still dey again. It don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and you know they break in again. Now follow come on again. It don't dey again. Original love, oh, you know they shake and
let me warm some soup so you people can eat.
Mama, don't worry. Actually, we don't have much time. Yes.
Sure.
Very sure, Mama.
I don't have much meat in it, but Kili has this in here.
Thank you.
Mama, don't worry, you're fine.
Okay, now I'm going to and sit.
Thank you.
Hey, it's good to have you both here.
Mama, you see, we want to thank you. Thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for saving our marriage. I mean, without your smart approach, things would have gone worse. Thank you very much, Mama.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
You're welcome, my son. You're welcome. I'm glad that you've both learned from what happened. Like I keep preaching, love is the ultimate. With love, in a home, in a marriage, in a family, there's room for tolerance and understanding.
Mama, you're right. Thank you so much for everything. And I promise you that this will never happen again.
I hope.
I am much wiser now.
I hope so.
Mama, of course.
I hope so.
Of course.
Mama.
You see, when someone is in love, everywhere glows.
Oh, you are just telling the truth.
Mama, please, no amount is too big to pay you for what you've done. But just use this as a token.
My food stuff, I need to buy rice, beans, and a little bit of I don't want
Mama, don't worry.
Live chicken.
I'm sure this will do.
Now. Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mama. Don't worry, we'll come next week to see you.
You will come?
Yeah, sure.
Then you will eat out of the food I will make.
No problem, Mama.
Oh, darling.
Mama, thank you for everything.
For nothing.
The best mom in the world.
You're the best daughter.
I love you.
I love you too, my dear. I love you too, Namo. Darling. Alright. Oh, Jello,
remember the time when we did fight today and nights be like say we did crazy.
Love one thing. Love one thing. Easy, no, not love,
we don't fall in love again.
love one, no.
We still did
Nothing, no. Bye.
you know they shake and you know they break it shake and you know they break in again. Our love now bunge, now follow come on again. You don't day again. Original love, you know they shake and you know they break in again.
Kate, what is it? Welcome first. Why are you looking this angry?
Is it not Sister Ivy?
Ivy? What is wrong? Did anything happen to her?
Mama, she's fine. She came to my school to ask for my forgiveness.
Oh, really? So, did you forgive her?
Mama, are you talking about forgiveness? Let her husband forgive her first.
How are you so sure he hasn't forgiven her? Both of them were here and they looked fine to me and happy.
Mama, please, I'm very hungry, please.
Yeah, Kate. Kate, come back here. We're not done talking. Kate! I'm looking at walk out of. Yeah? Kate! I didn't know you spend there. Oliver, you cannot be my daughter. Not when you're not reconciled with your sister. God forgives us. You can't forgive your sister.
Mama, can I just eat this food in peace? I'll pack my things and go back to school.
Go back to school. Go back to school. All I know is that you must reconcile with your sister. You have to do the needful, else. Give me my food.
Mama, calm down now. Calm down. Sister Ivy came to the school with her husband.
Eh?
We're in good terms.
Kate, please, I'm deeply sorry. From the depth of my heart, I am so sorry. I know I really treated you badly when you were in our house. That is why I've come to apologize with my husband. Please, forgive me. No more troubles.
She's your blood. Come on, forgive her.
Please, forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Forgive her, okay?
If my husband can forgive me, then why not you, my sister?
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. How is school?
School is fine. I have quiz this morning.
I trust you. You're very intelligent.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll come this weekend to pick you, okay?
But before then, I have something for you, my dear sister.
Really?
Buy yourself some provision and then keep the rest.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, Jesus,
that's 50K for you.
Wow, sister, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my darling sis. And like my husband said, we're going to come pick you during the weekend.
I'm waiting for you people.
Right.
Thank you, brother.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Let's go. Okay.
Hey!
So that's how it happened.
This is all I have been waiting to hear now. If we Ukita can join you since. Ezioku,
yes,
you're in good terms. Hey! Alright, so no wahala now. Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Nem, I am glad both of you are reconciled. If you go near, you can eat it. Eh? When you finish this, you can go to the kitchen and collect second round. Libe no. Oh, you get a quarakam, you want maspa. Eh? Either come, eat the Hey! Oh, thank you, Lord.
Auntie, please. I am deeply sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know that my actions have been terrible of late. But trust me, I will never allow myself to be that callous again. Please.
Ivy, you are lucky to have a patient and a kind man as a husband. Let me know on earth what has been buried. No, allow me to finish. Thank God you have realized that patience and love matters in marriage. Well, I've forgiven you.
Thank you so much.
He's my brother and I love him so much and I know how much he cares about you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for everything, Auntie. God bless you.
Well, I have a message from the Commission of Works for you.
Really?
Congratulations.
This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, you know they shake and you know they break it gang gang.
Anything for you, you know.
Wow.
Now you stop sitting. Go to the kitchen and get us something to drink. Something good.
You know they shake and you know they break it gang gang. This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, you know they shake and you know
Joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. Joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in my soul. We've got joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in our soul. Joy like a river, joy like a river, joy like a river in our soul. Oh, baby, love you too, honey. Oh.
I remember the time when we did fight today and night be like say we did crazy. We don't work it out, we don't talk it over, realize our mistakes. Love don't begin sweet, oh. We don't fall in love again, oh. This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Now follow come on a gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Original love, oh. This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Our love na obunge. Now follow come on a gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. My baby, I'm sorry I made you cry. Anything you want tonight, my goodbye. Because I love you. Your love not on a borrow. Hey, no more misunderstanding. I'm understanding how to love you better. This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. Our love na obunge. Now follow come on a gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and you know they break in a gang gang. This our love na gang gang. We still dey na gang gang. He don't dey na gang gang. Original love, oh. You know they shake and